Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of banking and answer a common question: how banks work and is it safe to put your money in them? To begin with, let's delve deeper into the operations and functionality of banks. Banks are highly specialized financial institutions that play an extensive role in supplying an extensive diversity of services and products, including investment opportunities, loans, insurance, and a wide array of other financial support services. They hold immense significance in our economy and society, as they effectively assist in promoting a vast range of transactions and provide vital credit support to individuals as well as businesses on an extensive scale. This vital role played by banks greatly contributes to the smooth functioning of the economy by lending resources to facilitate economic growth, development, and the creation of new opportunities for individuals and businesses. They serve as a crucial source of funding for a variety of industries, sectors, and projects, thereby promoting economic expansion, innovation, and sustainable development. In conclusion, banks play a vital role in the global economy, as they cater to the financial needs of individuals, businesses, and governments. The stability and functionality of these institutions ensure a prosperous future for everyone involved. As a result, it is essential to ensure that these institutions follow appropriate compliance measures and regulatory guidelines to guarantee the safety, soundness, and efficiency of their operations. This way, global financial markets and economies can flourish, ensuring that all stakeholders benefit from a stable, secure, and sustainable environment. All right, let's delve into the topic of safety now. Banks are heavily regulated by various government agencies in order to make certain that your hard-earned funds are secure and protected from any potential danger. These financial institutions are held accountable to maintain a specific level of reserves, ensuring that their financial stability remains intact. Furthermore, they are frequently insured by the government, often up to an impressive limit, as a form of protection. In summary, bank failures are a minor risk compared to insurance, which protects your assets. Despite banks having faith in you, insurance ensures security. In evaluating the banking industry's risks, consider regulatory changes, economic stability, political risks, innovation, and technology advancements to make informed choices for financial protection against unforeseen challenges. So, is it safe to put your money in banks? Absolutely. Banks are a secure and reliable way to store your hard-earned money. They provide a range of services, and your money is protected by government regulations. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. And hey everyone!